Hello guys, Sector from Flomix, Australia. Welcome back to the channel. This one is a special one. Probably our specialty is becoming more famous and famous, our Canopy trailers. This particular one is a 10 by 6, so it's slightly longer, where we've had the opportunity to fit this toolbox for our customer in there. And then we chop off section of the canopy in there, we glue it in there, and we get another door so we can stack them up, couple of hose reels, because this thing is got plenty of equipment and power. Let's get it started with a wheel relocation deck in there to transport a vacuum machine for the gutter, so a hot box. We mounted the toolbox for him in there. 62 liters of a fuel tank, sorry, for the pressure washer, with the stainless steel racing and protection in there. Breathing line, all the line to the pressure washer, and then there is our manifold behind this guard in here. He asked us to build a guard for people, stop people for touching in there, so he can actually lock it off. Our acrylic manifold with a 180-degree soap valve for better control, and very thick manifold in order to give the maximum durability. We walk the extra distance to deliver this type of manifolds because there is a lot of videos of all other type of manifolds. They wanted to cut corners in and they saving material a little bit, but yeah, in our manifolds they are built to last. So we close this gate in here. As I say, you can lock it up in there, and we walk our hose reels, beautiful Manta hose reels, with the guide rollers, with the 3/4 inlets, with these beautiful swivels, 316 stainless steel all the way through the manifold in there, with so many features. You can see it in some other of our videos. Soft wash hose 5/8 from Rampage, and then we got a 3/4 for the inlet all the way to the tank. Our soft wash water boss gun with a high flow quick connector from PA. We've got them in stock. We always offer it for people who buying the water boss, in case that they want to walk the extra distance and get all the setup properly done. Then he provide with the hose reels. We install it from him, and we install our Rampage 3/8 hose, which is awesome as well. That's a remote system that we will talk about later, with the kill switch on the right. So walking on the right, that thing in there is the 70 liters per minute. We got two options, as you guys know, the 42 and the 70 liters. Very powerful pumps. If you are doing more commercial than residential, maybe you have to go this way. Otherwise, with the 42 you were more than enough. All right. We installed for him the hour meter in here, which is giving to you the RPMs on the engine as well. Always we put our serial number to get everything in hand if something happens. And we build this shelf in here for extra storage for him. All right, so we walk to the right. Color engines, as we used to building our soft wash pumps and pressure washer. That pressure washer in there is a 30 liters per minute, 3600 psi AR pump, Udor gearbox, and as I said, 3 years warranty on every color engine. Mounted in one of our skids, again with all the reference that you need in case in the future you need to do your claims. 25 liters soap, plenty. And behind it we got one of the 400 liters buffer tank, because this particular customer, which is a returning customer, He purchased one of my very first Canopy trailers, and he loved it, but he needed more power, you know. So he had a lot of people working for him, and we built that this one in proper so he can run all the pumps in once. All right. Uh, yeah, as you can see, we've got a remote control system that we can start the software pump. We can start the 30 liter, or we can start the one is behind it, which is a 21 liter. We can stop it, or we can also start our bypass system in there, and we can stop it. Battery, connection box, float valve in there that it will control and will leave your tank full to the top, and you will have the three-way valve to prime the system in case that you empty the whole tank, or you can send it straight to your tank. Our 220 liters tank in there with the breather and a station line, so you can fill up from the bottom your chlorine. Obviously is the tank continues down there, but it's the deck in here, and all the pickup lines from the top, nice and clean. K1 loaders for the pressure washers to have a soft start on the pressure washers. And yeah, let's talk about the remote control a bit. So here is the bypass. You got the light in there, but anyways, this thing is a 6 kilometers range, and as well it's got a feedback feature, so it will tell you if you actually activate or any of the engines or your bypass, which is good. Let's go to a small test on the software pump. We gonna do an additional video. He wanted to do a big commercial this weekend with different heights and stuff, so we can show better the software pump capabilities and stuff for you guys that are asking. So yeah, stay tuned on the videos because we will update with that pretty soon. All right, so this is quite a lot of power. With this thing you can rinse, you can chemical alignment. Obviously now everything is set up below 200 psi, but we can go up to 250 if we want for quicker rinses. And stop. Thank you so much for looking, guys. Please give us some thumbs up there. Please subscribe to the channel and stay tuned for more videos to come. Another thing I forgot to mention, we've got plenty of storage there for the surface cleaner, poles and stuff like that, more in there. And this thing is got a 1/2 inch, 2 inches down valve that is gonna empty your tank in 30 seconds. All right, stay tuned and take care, boys. All the best.